Hello friends, myself Nilesa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video we saw how to define the circular grid system, and now in this video we will see how can we assign the columns oriented in different directions and how to assign the chord beam. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red button down there and subscribe to my channel to get the more updates, the more videos related to ETABS and civil engineering. So now let's get started with our content today. Now I've already defined my beams and columns. Now we will start by assigning our columns. Okay, so to draw the columns, what you can see here is quick draw columns plan 3D. And now go to the property. In property, what we will select, we have defined our column here 400 by 600. Select it, and in the angle degree, if you want, okay, so here what we will do is, you can see, if we assign our column here, we will get in the incline in the 0 degree direction. If we assign our column here, you can see the angle of degree is 0 degree here. Okay, so it is inclined to 0 degree. And now if you want to incline your column in different directions, like if you want to give here 45 degree, okay, so you have provided here 45 degree. In 45 degree you can see that your column is inclined to 45 degree, and here also 45. Okay, and here also we will give 45 degree. And now in this column, what we will do is, we will be providing 135 degree, oriented in 135 degree. Okay, so 135, okay, 135 and 135. In this way, what we can see is, we can see how we can orient our, how can we assign our columns oriented in different direction. And suppose I want to assign my column oriented in 90 degree direction. So Ctrl Z, I want to assign this column in 90 degree direction. So we will provide here 90 degree, and I will be assigning this column in 90 degree direction, you can see here. And again this one also I want to assign this in 90 degree, but let us select this column and go to edit and delete it. So you can see now we have deleted our column. Now go to quick draw, okay, column this, and now the angle degree is already 90 degree as we have provided earlier. So now we will provide this at 90 degree. So we have provided two columns in 90 degree, one column in 0 degree, and the two columns in 45 degree, and two columns in 135 degree. In this way you can provide your columns oriented in different direction. Okay, so either you click here to get out of this command, or you can directly press your ESC button in keypad in your keyboard just to escape from this command. Okay, so here you can see you have again the other joints also, so you can provide your column in all the joints. And now we will see how to provide the column. Now provide the columns likewise in this grid line also. So now to provide the beam, we will see the two different methods. Okay, so for beam, you can see here there are two different commands. This is the quick draw beams and this is the draw beams. So we will select here draw beams, and in the property we will select our beam 300 by 450 here. Okay, so now in the line drawing type, if you select this straight line, suppose you have selected this straight line, then what will happen is, you'll just click here and you will click here, and what you will see is, you will see a straight line beam has been drawn here, but we do not want this, we want chord beam. So we will undo this, and what we will do is just get out of this function, and beam is 300 by 450. So there are two different methods. So here you can see the arc 3 points and arc center 2 points. So first let us select this arc center and 2 points. Okay, so in this arc center and 2 points, first click on the origin and then at one end, and you can go in this direction and then click on this button, sorry, this joint. So you can see you have drawn your curved beam. Now you can get out of this command, out of this function, pressing enter button on your keypad. And this is the one of the methods. And the another one is, you can see, go to arc 3 points. In arc 3 points, what you need to do is you just need to click at one joint and then at another joint, and then you need to select your radius. Your radius is, you can see, your radius is 12,000. you can see here the radius. Okay, so this is your radius. It's being constantly variable. So at the point where you can see it's r equals to 12,000. okay, so r equals to 12,000 your radius, then you can select there, and what you can see is you have drawn your chord beam. So in this way you can draw your chord beam using arc 3 points and arc center and 2 points. Okay, enter. Now in the similar manner you can draw all those all the chord beams at each span you want to draw. Okay, so in this way you can assign your columns and your beams. So you can see we have drawn all of our chord beams in our circular grid system. So in the very next video we will see how can we draw the curved slab, that is the slab on this span. Okay, so I would like to take a leave here, and yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.